Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So before we get started, I wanted to let you guys know that all of my June Google AdSense revenue will be donated to the Black Lives Matter Global Network. So today's video we will be waxing my body. Y'all, it's been a minute, and with quarantine and everything happening right now, me waxing my body has not been a priority. I usually go to the European Wax Center to get waxed, but as you guys know, it's been a no. So the last time I got a wax, I'm gonna be 100% honest, was on February 15, 2020, before I went to Jamaica. My wax was scheduled March 19th, which was the same day that my location closed and said they're not accepting any more customers. So guys, it's been a real struggle, but I'm gonna see if I can get it together on my own today. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, drop a comment down below with your thoughts, with your comments, with your opinions. So I did receive this body wax kit from Flamingo. I got this body wax kit. I also got the face wax kit, but I won't be using that in today's video. So this is the body wax kit. I believe this retails for $9.90 in your local Target. So I will be using this to shave my armpits. So let me go ahead and open it up. It said it comes with 24 wax strips and 6 post wax cloths. So within the box, you have like this little envelope thing. This is real cute. Okay, packaging. And then when you open it up, it has instructions as well as the content. Yeah, so as I mentioned, I did get the face kit. I won't be using that because I do use retinol on my skin. So I won't be using it there because I don't want to get irritated or anything like that. Y'all know my skin has been through enough already. So, okay. So that's the instructions. This is the post-wax cloth. So this is basically 2 of them. There's 1 in each package. These are the strips. So before we get started, let me show y'all my armpits. Girl, y'all probably seen it already because I always have my arms raised in my hair videos, and I do not care. Okay, we all grow hair, so this is what it's looking like right now. And I don't grow hair under my armpits that much. It's just that, girl, when it grows, I just keep losing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these out. Guys, I don't know how this is about to go because I hate inflicting pain on myself. I don't mind pain, but when I'm doing it, it's like, girl, you can stop now. You know that, right? So each strip, like this one has 2. So you'll have a total of like 12 of these, but when you rip it apart, that's how you get to 24. So I'm just gonna pull this apart. Okay, so to use these strips, it says you must have at least 1.5 inches worth of hair, but girl, it's time for it to go. And it also says it should be clean and dry. It is clean because, you know, I showered, and it's dry because I haven't put like any deodorant or anything under my arm. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this here. Oh my god, I think I put it too much over. Oh, I'm gonna save this top to do like a second pass through if we have to. So I'm just pressing it on. Yeah, oh my god. Oh. Yeah, I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Okay, let me see if there's any other details I should know. Okay, so now I'm gonna, oh, girl. Okay, maybe I did it wrong. Cause girl, ain't nothing come off but like 2 hairs. So let me like press it closer and harder. Oh my god. It didn't hurt at all when I pulled it though. It didn't hurt as bad as I thought. I don't know if it's because it didn't get as many hairs or what, but okay, I think that should be good now. Woo. Girl, ain't nothing coming off. Okay, let me try to focus on smaller sections maybe. Like press it only here. Okay. Ooh, that one hurt. That one hurt and it didn't take anything off, girl. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. How much hair it took off. Like, come on, don't focus on me. Let's focus on what's important here. So it only took off like little hairs, as you guys can see. Girl, I don't know what's going on. Okay. That last one definitely took off the most though, so let me try again. And I'm using like a sticky part that hasn't been used yet. Very thick hair. As you guys see from my hair videos, I have very thick hair. So I don't know if it's a need for this. Let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, fuck. Oh. Girl, this is not working. It's not working. It's not me. I promise it's not me. We're gonna try it on my legs too, so we're gonna see, because my hair on my legs is not as thick as my armpit hair. So ooh, baby girl, yeah, it's not really working. Like, first of all, my armpit looks irritated as hell. It's tired. Okay, let me throw this strip away. And then remember, we also had that other one, so I'm just gonna try it again because I just want this hair gone. It's obviously not working, Kendra. It's not working, but you still want to go, right? Okay, keep going. Keep going, girl. Do it say it don't work on armpits or something? Am I missing something? Don't say it don't work on armpits. So let me. Ooh, baby girl. Nothing really came out. Nothing really came out, girl. Okay, at this point, my armpits are just sticky as hell. Maybe I need to. Maybe I need help. Maybe that's the case. Maybe you can't do this on your own. Maybe it's not a one-man job. Girl, I'm still trying. This is what, like my 6th pass? Okay. At this point, I just wanted to work. These strips are extra sticky, which I don't get why, because nothing's coming out, as we see. So, I don't know. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, baby girl. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's a little better, but girl, I'm not doing this again. So I'm gonna go ahead. I want to do like the little area on top of Madame. So I'm gonna take a strip and put it on she. This one might hurt. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Girl, ain't nothing coming out. So this don't work on thick hair. I'ma just keep it a buck. It don't work on the thick hair. So let's move on to the legs. Okay, so this is my thigh, and I'm gonna go ahead and get a new strip. Yeah, my armpit is so sticky. I'm low-key tight. I'm a lowest of keys tight, girl. Like what? All of that for what? Thigh. Okay, let's do my lower leg, because my thighs don't have that much hair, and I don't know if this is gonna work. So I'm gonna rip it apart, place the strip here. Let me make it neat at least. Whew, okay. Okay, now I'm gonna pull it up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try again. Legs is getting tired. 1, 2, 3. Ain't nothing come off. Nothing came off. I'm very confused. I'm highly confused, girl. So I'm trying on my thigh just to see. Let me put 2. I'm just ready to be over this. I just want to get rid of all the strips out. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. Okay, so I'm in Kim's room now. She's gonna try it on me to make sure I'm not bugging.
Oh yeah, ain't nothing come up.
I did. Look at my armpit is red.
Yeah, I think it's over.
I'm not bugging, guys. It don't work. Maybe my hair is not long enough. I don't know. Let me at least try this. The post wax cloth. Girl. Ain't nothing come on. I'm still hairy. I'm here like, ooh, my skin about to be real smooth. Girl, no. That thing don't work. It don't work. So this is a post wax cloth. Oh, let me see. Okay. I guess it's oil based. It's not really wet, but it's getting this stuff off. So, okay. These cloths are nice. The best part of the kit, the cloths. So, as we can see, didn't work. Didn't work. Probably took off half. I could probably go back and keep doing it to get this off, but girl, it didn't work. It did not work. I should not have to use more than 2 to get my hair off. So that's just how I feel. This is my first time using an at-home waxing kit, but my sister does have hard wax, so we'll use that to take this off because hard wax gets the job done. Okay, so that is my honest thoughts and opinions on this Flamingo body wax kit. If you guys have tried it out, comment down below and let me know. If you guys are still gonna go ahead and try it out, let me know. As I mentioned, I do have very thick hair, so that could be why I could not have enough hair. That could be another reason why. I'm not sure, but girl, barely anything came off. So this was an epic fail. I'm gonna be completely honest, and that's that on that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is all I have for today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe, drop a comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Also, do not forget that I will be donating my June Google AdSense revenue to the Black Lives Matter Global Network. So make sure you guys are keeping up with my videos throughout June. I'll also have links down below in the description box on different resources, things you can read up on in order to enhance your knowledge on what's going on, how you can help, and how we can make our voices heard in our action scene. So all of that will be in the description box down below. And until my next video, which will be tomorrow because I'm uploading every day of June. Let me put this up. I'm kind of naked. But until my next video, which will be tomorrow because I'm uploading every day of June, I'll see you guys later.